Hale, Alon. This is their fifth album released in year 2018. Well, let's start. Okay, front cover. Eto guys. Ayan, napakaganda na mundo natin. Isa lang puno. Okay. Back cover. Ayan. Guys, 10 tracks sa 12 Monkeys Music Hall and Pub, June 14, 2018. Doon siguro nag-album launch at doon na rin nagbenta. Up, eto, galing naman sa Siargao OST, Alon. Yup. Okay, CD. Ay, sus. Sikip. Okay. Yup, CDR copy. As you can see, no record label, no barcode. Yup. Yup, CDR baby. Yeah. No booklet, sorry. Ay, hindi na. I'll just put it here. Just a slim case. Ayan. Ayan. Good. Alright, let's check the social media. Okay, like their Facebook page, Hale. Yup. Subscribe to their YouTube channel. Yeah. Listen to Spotify. Follow them on Twitter. And follow them on Instagram. Well, that's it for today. Support the band by buying their merchandise and going to their gigs. Subscribe for more content. I'll see you at the next video. Goodbye and happy hunting. And as always, stay safe, everyone.